Okay guys, there is a one other type of the permission exists in a Linux. It is called access control list. So access control list means which user will access which resources. Means there is a list of the controlling all the type of the accessibility by the user. So what are these things and how you can do or how you can configure, we will discuss in this session. First, you will understand about the access control list. What is the access control list? Access control list, for the example, standard permission, because standard permission can be enabled on the owner, on the user, or the group, or the owner. We can implement the standard permission to the user, to the group, to the owner. This type of the group permission is limited to one user. Like there is a 10 user inside a one group, so it is limited. Like if I will implement the permission over the group, so it will be automatically inherit all the 10 members or the users who are the member of this group. Okay, they cannot grant the different access label. They cannot grant the different access label permission to the different user. For the example, there is a 10 user and the one group. So all the permission which will be implemented on the group, it will be inherit to all the users who are the member. If there is a 10 members, okay, you cannot give the permission of the accessibility on the different level. You cannot give. You can only give the permission to the group and the same permission to implement to the other user. This is the backdraw of the standard permission. That is the reason there is a ACL in the market which is going to be replace this. So ACLs permit the multiple users to be given the multiple level of the accessibility. Means different user will have the different type of the permissions. Okay, so permit the multiple groups to given the multiple level of the accessibility of that. So how you can check for the ACL? There is a get command. You can use the get command, getfacl, to check the ACL permission to a specific project. So here is file project.txt, owner student 5 and the group here this. But there is a some special type of the access control list implement over the student 9, where the student 9 user can read this file. Other user can read and write. Group can read, other can read, but student can read only. So means you can assign this particular access control list on the specific type of the user. So how you can set? You can set by the using the setfacl -m, then username. User is a user era and can have the permission read write acts. And if you want to enable for the group, so you will have to do the G and then group and the permission name. This is the set permission. If you want to set permission in a single command, so you can use the U for the user, use the G for the group and double dot, then give the permission. Okay, so this is the command where you can do this setfacl to this and whatever. So this is type of the permissions you can implement